In just a moment, wrestling fans, this big one, the one that's been shaping up for several years, that both these wrestlers have been pointing for, and the one that has brought 50,000 plus wrestling fans out here to Comiskey Park to see, is going to be underway. Best 2 out of 3 falls for the World's Heavyweight Wrestling Championship. That championship currently held by Pat O'Connor, 33 years old, 231 pounds, and as you could tell from those introductions by Lynn Sterling, a very popular champion. Challenging him for the championship, for the world title, is the United States heavyweight champion, Buddy Rogers of Camden, New Jersey, 240 pounds. And his manager and second, Bobby Davis. This is 2 out of 3 falls. Referee is Stan Sarberneck of Chicago. The bell and this World's Heavyweight Championship match is underway. Which way it'll go? Well, your guess is as good as mine. We've talked to many experts in recent weeks, men who have been through the wrestling mill and in the wrestling wars for years, and they have refused to commit themselves or make a prediction. They say it's even. The men are as evenly matched as 2 wrestlers could possibly be, and that it could go either way. So who are we to make a prediction? That's Buddy Rogers with his back to you, 240 pounds. Pat O'Connor with the dark trunks, 231 pounds. Pat O'Connor rebounding with that hard forearm blow, following one from Rogers, which seemed to irritate him. Constant conditioning and exercise. O'Connor bouncing off the ropes and running into a hard forearm blow from Buddy Rogers. Listen to that crowd as Rogers sprawls full length on the mat after that vicious blow from O'Connor. And both boys wind up in the ropes. It looked like O'Connor was setting Rogers up for a pile driver, but they lost their balance, tumbled into the ropes, and referee Stan Sarberneck called for the break. Boy, O'Connor putting every ounce of strength and all his energy behind those vicious blows. And believe you me, if Rogers wasn't in superb physical condition, he would be out. And it looks like he's out on his feet. He manages to bring his knee up. Watch it now. 1, 2, 3. The count by Sarberneck. And the pin by Rogers. A stunning turnabout here at Comiskey Park, with O'Connor definitely enjoying the upper hand, but Rogers pulling his strategy out of nowhere. A stunning blow as he brought that knee up. O'Connor's ran into it, and Rogers managed to get the pin in this first fall over O'Connor, who is stunned and led back to his corner. This second fall is underway. Remember that Buddy Rogers is 1 up on Pat O'Connor, who now has the difficult task And some may feel the almost impossible task of winning 2 straight falls from Buddy Rogers to retain his world's heavyweight crown. Rogers one up in a very surprising. Rogers broke loose. Boy. Broke free, but only for a second. And O'Connor bangs away across Rogers' face. He's stunned, down on his knees in his corner. But O'Connor had better be very careful because Rogers is cagey. And he takes another blow across the face. And again. Rogers having difficulty navigating. O'Connor steaming back to get the pin on Buddy Rogers, winning the second fall. It's all even, and we'll have the third and deciding fall in just a moment. And the bell signals the start of the third and deciding fall. A very confident Buddy Rogers strutting around the ring, drawing the boos of this tremendous crowd at Comiskey Park. Rogers winning the first fall, and O'Connor winning the second with his fabulous jackknife. Whoa, hold her, Luke. Gotta use your head, says Rogers. And look at that strut. I would hazard a guess that we will undoubtedly see a heavy concentration on defense in this third fall. Pat O'Connor having a great deal to lose. Rogers equally much to win. Rogers cannot lose his United States Heavyweight Championship, but he would gladly give that up for the world title held by O'Connor. Both boys colliding in the ring on their backs. They misjudged their pace in bouncing off the ropes. They met head-on in a collision in center ring. It seems as if O'Connor has recovered first. They're tangled in the ropes, dangerously close to the edge of the apron of the ring. Stan Sarbanek, our referee, manages to keep both boys from tumbling out. O'Connor first back into the ring. It looked as if both men were in danger for a moment. Watch this hard slam now as O'Connor's bounces Rogers, who apparently is pleading for mercy, but you've got to watch him close. Watch for another slam. There it is. And you can see the cushions as Rogers rebounds. Oh, boy, it looked as if O'Connor had the pin, but Rogers managed to get one leg up over on the ropes. And on Stan Sarbernek's signal, O'Connor was forced to break. Rogers was inches away and seconds away from losing this match. And the roar of the crowd rising to a steady crescendo. Never a let-up. as they watch two great champions pummel each other unmercifully. Watch it now. O'Connor trying for the pin with the body press. And again, Rogers brings that foot up over the ropes. O'Connor has been so close 2 times within a matter of minutes to finishing off Rogers and retaining his World's Heavyweight Championship. And listen to that crowd. Rogers on his back near the corner. O'Connor prancing in the center of the ring, eager for his chance to drive in and try to finish Rogers off. Look at him work over Buddy Rogers as he slams his head into the turnbuckle. Rogers is very groggy. He's almost down on his feet. Slammed into the turnbuckle again. Pat O'Connor, the champion, showing no mercy. He wants to finish it off. This match all even at a fall apiece. Rugged, brutal punishment being taken by Rogers, who seems to be on the verge of collapse beneath the ropes.
Fred, you're supposed to make the club.
Rogers trying desperately to come back. Attempt a couple of blows.
I can get up there to get the fight.
But he's on his back again. Watch it now. 2 and again. This is the 3rd time in a matter of minutes that O'Connor apparently had the mat sewed up. But they were too near the ropes. And Rogers shook the cobwebs away just enough to get that leg up over the ropes and prevent the count to reach 3 by referee Stan Sarberneck. Oh! A flying drop kick missed by O'Connor as Rogers managed to elude that kick. O'Connor's in trouble. Both boys almost out on their feet. O'Connor grasping his midriff in great pain. Rogers trying to crawl across to O'Connor and get that pin. O'Connor tumbling across the mat. Both boys approaching the ropes. Watch it now. We had the count. We had the count of 3 for Buddy Rogers, who gets the pin and wins the deciding fall in this World's Heavyweight Championship match. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a new champion in Buddy Nature Boy Rogers.